The 2014 Avenger. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, body color bumpers, speed control. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.